Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Before I get started, earnings today. So yes, I get it that the price closed at $22.79, but as of right now, the recording of this video, the price is right now at $18.33. So I'm assuming it's going to open up quite a bit lower. I could be wrong. There's still more after hours, and then there's pre-market tomorrow. But I think it's pretty safe to assume at this point in time that it'll open up below 20. Again, you never know with these tech stocks and AMD and all this, but right now I'm going to kind of go with that overall assumption that there is going to be some sort of gap down tomorrow. So with that in mind, let's talk about some areas of support and resistance. And honestly, let's see here. I don't even know what that... So even $20, if you think about it, this was a very important area of support. You go back through the history of the chart and you can see this was a former very stubborn area of resistance. And when the price did break out from there, that was kind of the floodgates that opened up. And to think that it's looking like the price is going to open up down below 20, that's pretty rough. But a basic rule in charting states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So assuming the price does open up down below 20, that will be that first key overall area of resistance that needs to be broken. Now, if the price ultimately decides to open up above 20, that would be considered an area of support. But like I said, I am under the assumption that the price is probably going to open up down below 20. But again, if I am assuming incorrectly and the price fights back and opens above 20, 20 would be considered a level of resistance. Now, what about levels of, it would be considered a level of support. Now, what about next potential areas of support? $17.35, which I think the price, that this could be a lie. Maybe the price got down around that area. Oh my, you're going to, look at that. Low, $17.35. So yeah, the power of charts. I get it. The trolls will say, oh, you had that stage. You knew. Fair enough. Fair enough. I wouldn't believe that either, so I'm not offended. But yeah, $17.35, which again, going back to that principle we already talked about, was a level of resistance. Now that that resistance has been broken, you would want to see it act as support. And on top of that, not very far below, you have the pink line right there, and that is the very famous 200-day simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-day moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it, assuming, of course, you're bullish. And then the next level of support, just in case things get really crazy to the downside, would be down there around $15.75. So again, resistance levels at $20, and in the event the price does actually open up above 20, that near-term level of resistance at that point would then be right around $22.50. So I traded this one actually after hours. I don't own any right now. I definitely will be watching it tomorrow, and these are the levels that I'm going to keep an eye on. So yeah, we'll see what, and as you can see here now, the price is back down below 18. So all over the place, so we'll have to see how things play out. But yeah, quite the entertaining movement right now. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.